What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol WISH for context logic, or WISH if you like to call it that. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this of course is more of an update. We've covered it extensively on the channel here, and the main thing to talk about is the fact that we are in fact breaking this resistance trend line here, but sideways through time. And we're also doing it in a manner where we're building a bit of a pressure cooker top on the back test of 620, which as we know is the bottom end of this overall range right here. And if we can break back up above it, as you know, we are looking at a look below and fail. The target should be here first at 666, and then the top end of the range at $7.57 being the ultimate target up there. If we take a look at how this is unfolded through the lens of the 30-minute intraday perspective, what you'll notice is that, again, the resistance trend line has broken sideways through time. It's not like there was an aggressive breakout, right? It's just more sideways. But what this has essentially proven is that we're no longer making lower lows. And again, this is on a very nuanced level here. If you think of this as the last major area of lows, this is technically higher, this is technically higher, and this into the end of today is also technically higher. If you want to get even more nuanced, there's a shorter term resistance trend line, right? Maybe something that looks like that, and this is going to unlock the door to higher inside of WISH, notably those targets that we just mentioned, 666 and $7.57. So I'm not, again, please, if you watched the last video we covered here, we were saying, yeah, there's an inverted hammer off the back test of the breakdown point here, but things can change, right? And as things change, you better be able to change your opinion. Otherwise, you probably won't make it too far in the trading business. So I do think there is potential for a shift in tone here if, again, we can break this resistance trend line right here. If we can get up above that, up above 620, as we've said time and time again this video, the target is simply here, 666. That's a decent, at least 40-cent trade on your hands here inside of WISH, and again on something trading sub 10, that's a substantial move in terms of percentage points. And even if we make it to the highs at 757, $1.50 on a stock sub 10, again, that's a really substantial move inside of a stock. So that's what I'm seeing to the upside here. That's the developments that I'm noting. And again, this is only if we get the break of this resistance trend line, only if we get the break and price acceptance up above 620. If we keep remaining underneath, then eventually, I would expect the buyers get tired, right? They run out of bullets, quote unquote, and we would roll over, right? If we don't get the break of 620. So I would not try to short it there, but I would just not want to be involved to the long side unless we actually get a confirmed breakout up and over this point, which we've sort of updated you on in today's video. So those are my thoughts here inside of WISH. If you enjoyed the update, let me know down below in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.